Hello guys! Привет, друзья! Welcome to the Russian Voice Online School. My name is Lydia. I'm your Russian language teacher, and in this lesson we're going to learn the fourth group of Russian consonants, which I call the sounds of nature. These letters sound or look like animals or insects, so let's learn them. Our first letter is Z. Z. It reminds me of a butterfly, a bug, or a spider, and these insects can make the same sound. Z, z, z. So the letter is Z. Z. The next letter is Sha. Sh. Sha. Sh. And this sound the snake can make. Sh, sh, sh. So the letter is Sha and the pronunciation is sh, sh. Next letter looks very similar to the letter sha, but we pronounce it differently. So this letter is sha, and as you see it has a tail, and we pronounce it as sh, sh. The same as sh, but softer. So this is sh, and this is sh, sh. So the next one is chia, chia, and we pronounce it as ch, ch. And the last one is tse, tse, and we pronounce it as ts, ts. So let's review our new letters. So this letter is Z, Z. The next is Sha, Sh. This one is Sha, Sh. This one is Chia, Ch. And the last one is Tse, Tse. Dear friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about learning Russian, please write them in the comments. And see you soon at our next Russian lesson.